Hey folks, a couple of months ago I wrote a book about the portable knowledge graphs and HAI. Because I spent a couple of years, actually 2 years, to make the knowledge graphs and agent memory happens on the user device. I could not say that this book is popular actually because it's maybe too narrow domain, but it's separate question. And today I get really sad news because I wrote a book about the portable knowledge graphs and I choose the relational data model. So because when I start my journey, it was practically no local graph databases on the market, except the RDF Fox, that super cool RDF storage, but for sure you need to pay, and they have quite interesting license that raise more questions than answers what we should do with the massive mobile scale. And then it's the question that how we could make the HI and agent memory happens if we don't have the graph databases, and graphs are the core of the memory. And I wrote a lot of articles how to do it in a relational model. I wrote a lot of articles that graph processing is not a graph databases. I have all of them. But in some point, I was extremely happy when I meet Kuzu folks and Kuzu database because they make it happen. So they combine the OpenCipher property graphs with the vector embeddings and vector indexes, and it was the perfect match. And I even started updating my book to write the chapter about the Kuzu and how to achieve all these good things with Kuzu database. And today I get the news that Kuzu is archived, it's not supported anymore, and companies will do something different. And it's a huge upset news for the age AI and the graph community because it was extremely good. It was extremely performant, was the set of features that nobody was focusing that make it a perfect choice for the H systems. And, my main background is the self-sovereign identity. And I already have this experience with the decentralized web nodes and tons of the SSI libraries that sometimes on the peak of the popularity, even with the strong community and support of the people, projects just disappear. And then you live alone if you choose this project as a core of your technology. And what you should do, first of all, you need to learn that if you build something around the open source, you need to be ready to make your hands dirty and be ready to support this critical component on your own. Because we make this with Kuzu, but we was not able to support the Kuzu. That's why I rewrote everything to the libsql. And today we have the same problem that if you're not ready to support Kuzu yourself, you need to be ready to continue on your own. And it's quite upset experience. So I still believe that we need to have the H databases, but we still have empty market that somebody will occupy probably. That was all that I was keen to share with you. See you next time. Choose.